Good morning. This is cause number 2021-66728 in the interest of Jayla Lamford. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Rosalind Bingham, and I'm her mother.
All right. Representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Eoff.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Derek Modicure. Mr. Modicure was personally served on April 11th, 2022 at 11:44 a.m. at 7302 Alabunson Road, apartment 1104 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Eoff?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'd like to begin by calling Child Support Officer Williams.
All right.
All right. Ms. Williams, will you please state your full name for the record?
Natasha Williams,
And where are you employed?
the Office of the Attorney General Child Support Division.
And what do you do there?
I'm a child support officer.
And in the time that you work there, have you been trained in accordance with the family code regarding researching income and calculating child support for cases like this?
I have
And how long have you been doing this job?
13 years.
And have you had an opportunity to review this case?
Yes.
And can you share your findings with the court regarding retroactive support for this case?
The total retroactive judgment from October 12, 2017 until May 26, 2022 is $18,819.
And what is the recommended payment plan for that retroactive support amount if an order were to be entered today?
$144 per month beginning December 1st, 2022.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. I have no further questions and pass this witness.
Okay. Ms. Bingham, do you have any questions of Ms. Williams?
No, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Why, Ms. Williams, why is the date October 17th to May 22?
So the retroactive time period is the 4 years prior to the filing is the begin date, and the end date is basically based on the child's emancipation date. The child has already emancipated.
Okay, I get it. May she be excused, Ms. Eoff?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
All right, Your Honor, I'd like to call Rosalind Bingham.
Okay.
Ms. Bingham, will you please state your full name for the record?
Rosalind Shay Bingham.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Jayla Renee Lamford, her date of birth is April the 19th, 2004.
All right. And Jayla has already turned 18 and graduated from high school. Is that correct?
Yes.
And Mr. Modicure, who is not here today, is Jayla's father. Is that right?
Yes.
Have you ever alleged that someone else could be Jayla's father?
No.
And is Mr. Modicure aware that you had Jayla and that he is her dad?
Yes.
And has he ever attempted to help you support Jayla?
No.
So would you like for the court to establish Mr. Modicure as Jayla's father today?
Yes.
And did you hear Officer Williams' earlier testimony about the retroactive support calculation for your case?
Yes.
Would you like for the court to order him to pay retroactive support, a total judgment of $18,819 for the time period of October 12th, 2017 to May 26, 2022, and pay that out at $144 a month beginning December 1st?
Yes.
All right. And do you believe that if the court were to enter an order today that established him as her father and ordered, made this judgment for back child support, do you think that would be in her best interest?
Yes.
All right. I have no further questions and pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted.
Thank
Parties
you.
are excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Bingham, you are finished. You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Mr. Guy, all right, this is cause number 2022-14761 in the interest of Chance Guy. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Megan Allard, and I'm the mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child,
Terry Guy, my father.
and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Eoff.
We have an original petition and a suit affecting parent-child relationship. What are we doing today, Ms. Eoff?
Your Honor, we believe that paternity for this child is established as based on the fact that the parties were married at the time the child was born. However, the parties would like to have DNA testing done in this case.
What is the reset date?
January 11th, 2023 at 8 a.m. via Zoom.
All right, then, parties request for DNA testing is granted. DNA testing is ordered and cases reset to January 11th, 2023.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.